Have you ever wanted to describe your neighborhood in English but didn't know the right sentences to use? Don't worry. Today, you'll learn simple and natural English sentences to talk about your neighborhood with confidence.
Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our 30-day English speaking challenge. This is day 9. Today's topic is describing my neighborhood.
First, listen carefully to each sentence. Then look at the sentence on your screen and repeat it aloud after me. Speak loudly, speak clearly. So, let's begin.
I live nearby. I live nearby. My neighborhood is peaceful. My neighborhood is peaceful. It is clean. It is clean. It is safe. It is safe. People are friendly. People are friendly. There are many houses. There are many houses. There is a small park. There is a small park. There is a grocery store nearby. There is a grocery store nearby. I enjoy living here. I enjoy living here. I go for a walk every evening. I go for a walk every evening. The streets are clean. The streets are clean. The roads are wide. The roads are wide. There are many trees. There are many trees. The air feels fresh. The air feels fresh. Children play outside. Children play outside. My neighbors are helpful. My neighbors are helpful. I know many people here. I know many people here. I live in a peaceful neighborhood. I live in a peaceful neighborhood. My neighborhood is clean and friendly. My neighborhood is clean and friendly. There are many houses near my home. There are many houses near my home. There is a school near my house. There is a school near my house. There is a bus stop nearby. There is a bus stop nearby. Public transportation is easy to find. Public transportation is easy to find. There are several shops on the main road. There are several shops on the main road. The streets are usually busy during the day. The streets are usually busy during the day. The area becomes quiet at night. The area becomes quiet at night. Many children play outside after school. Many children play outside after school. The people here are kind and helpful. The people here are kind and helpful. My neighbors often greet each other. My neighbors often greet each other. There are trees along the streets. There are trees along the streets. The neighborhood looks beautiful in the morning. The neighborhood looks beautiful in the morning. I often go for a walk in the evening. I often go for a walk in the evening. There's a local market close to my home. There's a local market close to my home. I usually buy fresh vegetables there. I usually buy fresh vegetables there. The market is crowded on weekends. The market is crowded on weekends. I feel safe in my neighborhood. I feel safe in my neighborhood. There are many useful places near my home. There are many useful places near my home. I can easily buy everything I need nearby. I can easily buy everything I need nearby. People here take care of the area. People here take care of the area. The neighborhood is peaceful in the morning. The neighborhood is peaceful in the morning. There are many trees and green spaces. There are many trees and green spaces. This area is convenient for daily life. This area is convenient for daily life. I often meet familiar faces here. I often meet familiar faces here. The community here is friendly and welcoming. The community here is friendly and welcoming. I have many happy memories in this neighborhood. I have many happy memories in this neighborhood. The environment is pleasant and comfortable. The environment is pleasant and comfortable. My neighborhood has everything I need. My neighborhood has everything I need. I am proud to live here. I am proud to live here. This is a wonderful place to live. This is a wonderful place to live.
Great job! You're doing really well. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these English speaking lessons, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move to some medium-level sentences. This time, don't wait for the text, just read and speak with me. Ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice.
I live in a peaceful neighborhood, and I enjoy living here. My neighborhood is clean and friendly, so I feel comfortable every day. There is a grocery store near my house, and I can buy everything I need. There is a small park nearby, where many people walk every evening. The streets are busy during the day, but quiet at night. There is a school near my house, and children play outside after school. Public transportation is easy to find, so traveling is convenient. There are many trees along the streets, and the area looks beautiful. The local market is close to my home, and I often buy fresh vegetables there. My neighbors are kind and helpful, and we always greet each other. The roads are clean and well connected, which makes traveling easy. I have many happy memories here, and I love this neighborhood. This is a peaceful, beautiful, and wonderful place to live.
Great job! You completed day 9 of our English speaking challenge. Now tell me in the comments, what do you like most about your neighborhood? Try to answer in English. Create your own sentences. Let's see how many of you can complete today's challenge in English. And if you completed today's challenge, let me know in the comments. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.